How to run an .ipynb Jupyter Notebook from terminal. I have some code in a .ipynb file and got it to the point where I don't really need the interactive feature of Ipython notebook. I would like to just run it straight from a Mac terminal command line. Basically, if this were just a .py file, I believe I could just do python filename.py from the command line. Is there something similar for a .ipynb file? You can export all your code from .ipynb and save it as a .py script. Then you can run the script in your terminal. Hope it helps.
From the command line, you can convert a notebook to Python with this command. This URL. You may have to install the Python misdune package.
nbconvert allows you to run notebooks with the execute flag. If you want to run a notebook and produce a new notebook, you can add to notebook. Or if you want to replace the existing notebook with the new output. Since that's a really long command, you can use an alias.
In your terminal, run ipython. Then locate your script and put there.
I